My name is David Gorton. I'm the head of product at SeedBin, located in Colorado. SeedBin is focused on providing supply chain management solutions for the commercial seed industry. When we first started working with Hotovo, we had a very short timeline for delivery, and Hotovo was able to bring in a team of Python developers as well as a team of JavaScript developers to really help us solve the problems and deliver a product to our customers in a very, very short timeline. Since we've started, we've been in business for about 14 years, and we have done a great job developing solutions, but we needed to go further and bring a more robust enterprise solution into play. That's where we partnered with Hotovo starting in about 2019. And since then, Hotovo has really helped us to build out a beautiful user interface, a very robust enterprise backend that manages the information and the processes for our customers. During that time, it has been incredible to work with Hotovo. They have very strong project management skills to really have somebody locally within Slovakia to work with the development team, as well as to facilitate communications with our teams in the US. The culture at Hotovo is very, very similar to the culture that we have at SeedBin. And because of that, it has been very easy to work together, very easy to communicate, and to work through both the positive aspects of projects as well as the challenges of projects. As a result, we end up with much higher quality software, and overall it has been a great experience working with them, and I would highly recommend for you to join them as well.